In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack and Elementor. If you want to receive instant notifications from your website forms directly inside Slack, this setup is a great option. It helps you stay on top of new leads, contact requests, and customer messages without relying only on email alerts. This integration uses Slack incoming webhooks, which makes it fast, reliable, and free to set up. Just keep in mind that this native method requires Elementor Pro because the free version of Elementor does not include the form widget or the actions after submit feature. To begin, open your browser and go to the Slack apps page. From there, click Create New App, then choose the option to create it from scratch. Give the app a simple name and select the workspace where you want these notifications to appear. Once the app is created, go to the Features page and click Incoming Webhooks. Turn that feature on by activating Incoming Webhooks. After that, scroll down and click Add New Webhook to Workspace. Choose the Slack channel where you want your form submissions to be posted, then approve the connection. Slack will generate a unique webhook URL for you. Copy that URL because you'll need it in Elementor in just a moment. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard, open the page that contains your form, and click Edit with Elementor. Select the form widget so its settings appear on the left side. Open the Actions After Submit section, click in the Add Action field, and choose Slack from the dropdown. As soon as you do that, a new Slack settings area will appear below. Open that Slack section and paste your webhook into the webhook URL field. You can also configure the optional settings here. For example, you can specify a channel name if you want to override the default destination. You can set a custom username for the sender, add pretext to introduce the message, and include a title and description to make the notification clearer and more polished. One setting you definitely want to check is form data. Make sure that is turned on and set to yes. That ensures the information submitted through the form will be included in the Slack message. Once everything looks good, click Update or Publish in Elementor to save the changes. Finally, test the integration. Open the live page in an incognito window, fill out the form, and submit it. Then open Slack and check the channel you selected. If everything is configured correctly, your form submission should appear there almost instantly in a clean, readable format. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.